Unit 2. Nagashi Somen, Japan's flowing noodles, May 2nd. A group of friends has gathered in the backyard of someone's home in Japan. Before them is a large bamboo trough with cold water flowing along it. A server shouts, "Ikuyo," and lets the noodles slide down the trough. Everyone watches intently and uses their chopsticks to snatch the noodles out of the water and dip them in sauce. This Japanese meal is known as nagashi somen, or flowing noodles. Nagashi somen is an essential part of summertime for many Japanese people. The cold noodles help people cool off, and eating the dish is both a meal and a sort of game. Making nagashi somen at home starts during the Japanese holiday time of Golden Week from April 29th to May 5th. Traditionally, a team of men and children finds and cuts down a tall, heavy bamboo stalk 5 to 6 inches in diameter. Everyone carries the bamboo back home. Then they split it in two with a hatchet, saw, and wooden wedges before washing it clean. Meanwhile, the women handle the cooking and preparing of ingredients. First, they cook the somen noodles in a big pot before washing them to prevent the noodles from sticking to one another. Then they mix minced ginger, sesame seeds, and chopped green onions in a bowl of soy sauce to make a dip for the noodles. Finally, everyone pulls up a chair next to the bamboo gutter in the backyard, and the meal begins. Whoever is the fastest with their chopsticks gets to eat the most. If any noodles get to the end of the trough without being caught, worry not. There's a colander there to catch them and usually a kid waiting to eat them. However, if this all sounds like too much work, you can enjoy nagashi somen at a restaurant too.